Thank you everyone for being here today. We appreciate everyone who's come out here today. It's an exciting project we get to talk about.
I can't tell you how excited we are to be leading the way in the state of Indiana with the lead line, water line replacement.
This lead and copper rule started in 1999 to address the health risks that are posed to plumbing supplies containing lead and copper. Most recent revisions to the rule requires public water systems to establish lead service lines inventory and begin a plan to address and replace any lead service lines that still exist. This current project will replace water mains and water services, specifically the RCA neighborhood, within roughly Fisher Street to Foster Street and 6th Street to Dewey Street.
It's about the people. And as most of you understand, there's probably nothing more important to the people than their fresh, clean drinking water. For us to be able to do this, what a great opportunity to show the leadership of Monticello and how they want to get out ahead of things. We're looking forward to it and more projects just like this.
I recognize the vision that Monticello has. You're here today to replace 100-year-old lead pipes. My hat's off to Monticello and to all the citizens here. We're looking ahead and having that vision and making a difference today so future generations will still have a viable Monticello that they can live and raise their family.
None of this would be possible without those very, very valuable relationships. Commonwealth, SRF, CURPC, LGS Plumbing, our city engineer, and our department heads that carry the weight of every single project. Thank you all. I applaud all of you for everything you do.